things that are going to be different are after draining the oil, I'm going to pull a quarter of the oil that I'm going to use and flush it again. And after that, do the oil change as usual. And also, I'm going to talk briefly about the oils that I use. This is my personal experience. Feel welcome to drop in comments if you have any better ideas. So let's get started. So we have the Mobile One. I don't even need to talk about Mobile. Everybody knows that it's a really good oil. I used that one on my 2010 Corolla with 225,000 miles since the beginning. That was the first break-in oil, and from there every 5,000 miles in the dot. Pines oil, that's the oil that I use on a Ram TRX with 45,000 miles, no issues, no problems whatsoever. The liquid moly, that's something that I've been used on the years. Before I had a GR23, I'm gonna have a conversation about why I trade that car for this one. And it worked good. I did break-in oil with it, 1,000 miles. Then every 5,000 miles, and after 3 circuit events that I did, I replaced the oil with liquid moly. And now I'm gonna use liquid moly for my 25 year. For me, those three are really good. Just remember to keep the, beside the RW20, you wanna see this is the API specific for your vehicle. Also this part, the ILSAC as well. That's really important for you guys to know, especially on the GR Corolla. Other than that, I think if whatever oil that you guys use and you guys do the maintenance the way it's supposed to be, they shouldn't give you any problems. All of them are pretty. We're going to need oil, of course, oil filter, gasket, oil filter wrench, and you're just gonna need a 14 and a 10. That's it. Okay, so we've been doing all this, and we still have some draining. Now we get into the little drops, and our next step, we're gonna flush whatever metal particles are there. So as you can see right there, a little bit like a water, or the same oil that we're gonna use, the liquid moly. Flushing any metal out there. over 20 minutes, it's still raining.
It's been 84 years.
Yeah, we're going to add just a little bit of oil into the filter. Just the area. Some people like to put something a little bit over here. That's fine as well. Me, I just lubricate the area. That's it. Can add just a little tad. That should be more than enough. Let's put this filter where it belongs.
I want to go crazy on this one. Make sure it's tight. That's it. That's enough.
Not over tight. Something nice and firm. That's it. And that wraps up the break-in oil change on the year Corolla 25. Taking care of your engine early on is key to keeping it running strong for the long haul. You got one of these beasts? Don't skip that first oil change. Your turbo and your wallet will thank you later. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more GR content, road trip adventures, and of course more car tips. Catch you in the next one.